Hello! This week we're from an undisclosed location different than home. It is called a gin and sin, what we're doing today, and it is under the category of gin cocktails of the aromatic type. However, it does also say that the gin and sin is a sour rather than an aromatic type. But it is shown here merely to bring together all the various gin and drinks. So this is a gin and sin under aromatic that is not aromatic. Anyways, it does start off similarly to the aromatic cocktails because you start with large cubes or cracked ice in an old-fashioned glass. And then you pour enough gin in this to fill it 3/8, so a little less than half. That seems about right. Then on top of that, all you add is 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon orange juice, spilled a little bit of that one, and then a dash of grenadine. Well, you have a cute little pink drink there. How sweet and cute is that? So, this is a gin and sin. Pretty good. Ooh. It's pretty ginny.
Yeah.
Doesn't take away from the gin. I think that with another tablespoon or teaspoon of lemon, and just like with a little bit of, I'm probably going to throw some seltzer on this baby. And yeah, I think we'll be good to go. But yeah, this is a good one. Pretty ginny. If you don't like gin, then it's not one for you. But it's sure cute looking. It's all pink. Anyway, have a good one. Like and or subscribe or move along. Whatever you want to do. Yeah, I'm not demanding. Peace.